Hey there, beauties and gents. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing hair care tips and product reviews today. I am super excited to introduce you to the ultimate hairstyling solution, the hair wax stick for wig. This professional hair wax stick gel cream is a non-greasy, versatile styling product that is perfect for both men and women. Are you tired of dealing with broken and frizzy hair? Say goodbye to those hair woes because this hair wax stick is here to save the day. With its rich blend of beeswax, glycerin, and avocado extract, this hair wax stick is not only safe for all hair types, but it also deeply nourishes and repairs damaged hair, leaving it smooth, shiny, and healthy. But that's not all. This hair wax stick also helps to tame those unruly hair edges and control frizz, giving you a flawless and polished hairstyle every time. And the best part? It comes in a convenient and portable size, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go, so you can style your hair on the fly. So, what are you waiting for? Say hello to perfectly styled hair with the hair wax stick for wig. Don't miss out on this amazing product. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this hair care essential today. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.